As most men get older, prostate health becomes one of the biggest concerns. So in this video, we are going to look at what really happens in your prostate if you eat tomatoes every single day for 21 days. Now, as you get older, there are certain foods that you should be eating, especially if you are over the age of 50s, foods that can help balance your hormones, that can help reduce inflammation, boost your immunity. Now, both inflammation and when you have hormonal imbalance, both of these can result in prostate issues. And this is why eating these foods can help support your body. And one of these foods that you have to be eating is tomatoes. Now, tomatoes are one of the highest source of carotenoid, and the specific one I'm talking about is the lycopene. Lycopene is a very important carotenoid that can help support your prostate. Now, when you are eating tomatoes every day, this is going to provide your body with this lycopene. Lycopene can help reduce free radicals in your prostate. Now, your prostate is also a very metabolic gland. They carry out metabolic processes. So when you have high levels of free radicals in your prostate, that can destroy those cells in your prostate, that can disrupt the normal metabolic processes in the prostate, and that can result in prostate problems. So when you are eating tomatoes, that is going to help eliminate those free radicals and improve your prostate health. So the other thing that also happens when you are eating tomatoes is that it will also help balance your hormones. Now, one of the major contributors to prostate problem is due to hormonal imbalance. So as most men start to get older, there is increased production, increased expression of dihydrotestosterone. Now, dihydrotestosterone is a very potent androgen. So when this dihydrotestosterone binds to the androgen receptors, it can lead to the enlargement of your prostate gland. But it just so happens that when you are eating tomatoes, that helps suppresses the production of dihydrotestosterone, which causes an enlarged prostate, thereby helping your body to heal, thereby helping your body to shrink your enlarged prostate. Now, the other benefit you also get when you are eating tomatoes is that it suppresses the production of inflammatory enzyme. An example is COS, which is the cyclooxygenase 2. Now, this enzyme is actually tied to prostate problems. Now, it has been found that people who have prostate problem or people who have cancer, in their tissue, there is an increased level of cyclooxygenase 2, which is responsible for causing inflammation. And this enzyme have been found to help cancer to grow. It helps them to survive, and it also helps them to spread. It helps this cancer to form new blood vessels. Now, when this cancer are forming new blood vessels, they are taking more nutrients from your body that fuels their growth and proliferation. So when you are eating tomatoes, that is going to help suppress this cyclooxygenase 2 that results in cancer. Now, the best way to eat this lycopene to support your prostate health is actually by frying it. Now, when you fry it, it makes this lycopene to be more bioavailable. It helps this lycopene to reach different parts of your body to carry out its functions. So these are some of the benefits you get when you are eating tomatoes every single day. It's going to help improve your prostate health. Now, in one study, it's a clinical trial study that was conducted. People who were eating lycopene were found to have their quality of life improve significantly. So I highly recommend tomatoes. Now, let me know in the comment below if you are going to be trying this out, and also where you're watching this video from. Thanks for watching.